Hey, here at myxer.com, you can sell ringtones, mp3s, and wallpapers, and you could also get free ones when you sign up with them. It's a cool website. I'm logged in. I'm going to go to my account, and you have a little dashboard like this, and then you go to your ringtones here, and as you can see here, it just shows all the ringtones, and I can click on a wallpaper, and it has right there the wallpaper. You can buy it, customize it, do whatever you want. It's better to use Google Chrome, and that way you can upload stuff a lot faster, just like on YouTube. When you want to upload there, it seems to take forever sometimes, but using Google Chrome to upload on Myxer and on YouTube makes the process a lot faster. Thing is, you need a PayPal account to buy some of this stuff. Other than that, I don't know, maybe with an iPhone or some other way, there's probably a different way of paying. But like I said, you could just type stuff up, and you can get results, whether it's Metallica, Lady Gaga, whatever, and you can get ringtones there. And here's my page here, and you want to hear some ringtones here. Here's one of mine here. Just go to the page. There's one ringtone there. There's you know, all kinds of stuff here you can do. You know, there's another ringtone here. So anyway, you can, you know, sell mp3s too, you know, and it's, you know, a cool website. I think you should check it out. It's called Myxer. You get a mobile artist pro account for $29.99, and you can sell stuff on there. And you can also make other accounts, like 4 different accounts, so you could put other stuff on there. You could have like 4 pages or more of just different types of stuff if you want to do. So if you're you know, an artist, you can put your wallpapers on there if you want to put your art out there, or if you make avatars with computers, you can sell, you know, avatar wallpapers, all kinds of stuff. So just check it out. See me on YouTube. Go to Mockshaw's channel, and check out some videos and stuff there. Hope y'all like it. Peace out.